to it's your boy, the friendly neighborhood ghost. This book is Mini, this book is Legan this book is Super Flexi. Get a 10 to plan song, bringing you the mash up. Let's mash things up. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow Akir. But bona, halibata sponsor, let's get some plays. Yanko DM the mash up, guys. Yes, but as a gentleman, Akir, Otamale. Motomon tlakere nna ke tsamaile dikobo man kitsamale
with Inathie.
Okay, Inathie nami nginawe ne.
Okay.
Yeah, young dad. Yeah, welcome to the mashup. Yazi urelaxe kanjani? Who's that? Okay, so got 2 questions ne.
Okay.
Yeah. The first one you got to get it correctly. The second one, you have the right to your own opinion. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, the first one's going to be a riddle. Are you good with riddles?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah. Yeah, at least Yeah. So this is how it goes. What invention makes you look right through a wall?
I don't know. I don't know for real.
The correct answer is a window. A window makes you look through a wall. Yes, that's why it was invented, Agir. Yes. So the second question, you have the right to your own opinion.
Okay.
Sharp. What's the most dangerous, thrill-seeking thing you would consider doing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Not maybe skydiving, ski jumping, maybe parkour.
Maybe going to diving in the sea.
Whoa, ocean diving.
Yeah.
Awusaba mashaka.
Whoa, kaloku ngizobe ndi-prepared.
So when you get there, the sharks should be afraid. Wow, that's what she's saying.
If they have to, they will be.
I mean, ngisimela nediva fit. Hayi angifair, angidlaleli fair naye. Ngoba mina amashaka azongiqhaqa ngiyangibona bafethu. Hayi. Inathie, thathela kube famous.
amandla wakho nobungcwalisa bobaba use ungoyiki ungaqiphuka umbilini kalipa 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 amandla wakho nobungcwalisa bobaba use ungoyiki ungaqiphuka umbilini kalipa 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 kuleka kuwenta sicela kuwenta indlela masika indlela masika indlela masika indlela masika awubeki tolopa kuleka kwababa kuleka kwababa indlela masika indlela masika indlela masika indlela masika